Hi, I'm Tricia Morris at Club Scrap, and I want to invite you to another fun card making workshop. This one's hosted on August 17 by our friends at the One of a Kind Facebook online events. We'll be making 6 really cool cards using an extremely clever formula that I've come up with. You are going to want to use this one again and again. Let's take a look at those cards we'll make together. So here are those 6 cards, and you can see that they're very, very similar. So this is definitely a assembly line process, kind of like a recipe for a triple batch of cookies. You're going to get a lot done in the time we spend together. And each card has a little sentiment on the front, a ribbon embellishment, and then there's also a sentiment on the inside of each card. So you can purchase the Nested Strips Card Formula Craft Along Kit and make these cards right along with me. Your kit includes the 6 envelopes you need to get those cards in the mail right away, 3 ribbons you can use to embellish those cards, a beautiful Petals print, and then 3 sheets of heavyweight cardstock, plus a carefully mapped out cut apart sheet. Now this even has extra sentiments on the sheet in case you want to make substitutions. But most importantly, you get this really helpful instruction document with a lot of the details about how to create this cool set of cards. Once you complete making those 6 cards with me, you'll know everything you need to recreate the same formula with papers from your stash. I'm guessing you have a stash. Okay, so let me show you what I did here. I've got another half dozen cards that I made with papers and stamps from our fun Harbor Town collection. And then I have another half dozen cards using papers and stamps from our Take Flight collection. You are just gonna love this new card recipe. Come and join me on the 17th or anytime thereafter, and let's create these cards together.